In this tutorial, you will learn how to access cloud storage services that require an authorization using FileZilla CLI. Some storage services, like Box and OneDrive, require an additional authorization step. Launch FileZilla CLI. Enter the connect command to connect to the remote cloud storage of your choice. An authorization URL is shown. Copy the URL and paste it in your web browser address field. If you are not logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials. Copy to the clipboard the code generated by the cloud provider. After the authorization is completed, you may close the browser. In FileZilla CLI, paste the authorization code. FileZilla CLI asks you to trust the server certificate. Choose Yes to continue. Now you can access your remote files. In this video, you learned how to access cloud storage services that require an authorization code using FileZilla CLI. FileZilla CLI is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint.